I'm super excited. Today I'm actually going to be doing a test and review on a clay mask that I got in one of my Ipsy bags. I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to test it here with you guys and we'll do a little review too. This is the mask that I got in a couple Ipsy bags ago. It's by Feel and it's called Restored. It's a self-warming clay mask. So this mask you don't necessarily have to put on for too long. You just want to cleanse your face with warm water and dry, and then you're going to apply this mask and leave on for about 10 minutes. Something that caught my eye is that it's fortified with vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant, so I'm super excited to try this mask. Right now, my face is totally getting warm. I did not realize what it meant by like self-warming. So that right now, I totally feel the warmness of this mask. So, whoa, I've never had a mask that does that. That's so crazy. It feels so warm. So now that I've applied this mask, I'm just gonna wait about 10 minutes. Some things that I noticed right away as soon as I started putting it on, it was just super warm. So that night felt really nice. I really like how it's not tightening like, let's say, a charcoal mask. Like, it's super slick on the face. It's not like tightening my skin at all. So I can, smile and talk. I feel like I can move my face. Something else that I really like about it is that it smells super good. Like, it just smells really natural and fresh. Like, it's not overpowering since it's going to be sitting on my face forever. I really, really like it. And I also applied it down here so that I could get some extra So I went ahead and got the mask all rinsed off. My face feels nice and smooth. I really like the color. I think the only feedback that I have for the mask is once it was applied to the face, I wish it was a bit thicker, just because when I was rinsing it off, it was kind of dripping down and like mixing into my face. But other than that, I really liked the smell. I really loved how it was warm once you started applying it. So overall, I felt like it was a really great face mask. So definitely check out the brand Feel and check out what they have to offer.